What's up, YouTube? Today we receive Samsung Galaxy S7 with broken camera lens, all bust up, everything else is good. There's a replacement part right here. Let's go ahead and lift the bottom. See a lot of YouTube videos, and I've done it myself, when you use plastic cards and pickers. You can see I chopped some paint. Then tool is inside. Basically, we don't even need let it go around, but besides that, put plastic card. See, it's way easier now. Phone is working. Hit it more. Almost chop off wireless part. We can use old adhesive tape. Let's check if wireless part is working. And it is working. Now we need to take out this piece and replace it with this one. So let's fix adhesive tape first. That's good. Let's fill it up from here. Now it is warm. Just be gently pushing it. Go around it. Twist it a little bit up. And all pieces out. Now right here we chop a little bit of paint. You can see, not critical. We can just use a Sharpie and put black back. Alright, to install the new piece, we need to peel out green peel out, put this piece inside of it. Just make perfect alignment. And this in, then just basically take out like this. Install it on top, and then gently make sure it's all alignment here, place it inside, and it looks like it fits perfectly. Then what we're gonna do, we'll put some more heat and just press it on the corners. Don't press on glass because you will break it. This is our wall piece. Now what we only need to do is place the wall piece back. Make sure Alright, to install back piece, make sure your heatsink. To install all piece, make sure that all the head acid tape is on place. Just warming up. And gently place it. Then just go all the way around. Push it in. Now we need to heat it more. All around. Now it looks perfect. Camera looks fine. Excellent. But anything, nothing blurry. You can see it. Thanks for watching, guys. This was Samsung Galaxy SM-G930 camera lens replacement. Click like and subscribe.